Welcome back on another tutorial. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to download a global level political boundaries as well as individual countries boundaries with different administrative units. So now search GeoBoundaries. You can see the first result, www.geoboundaries.org. So let us visit this website. So GeoBoundaries is an open database of political administrative boundaries where you can download the shapefile for individual country and global composite files, simplified boundaries of the country, which is comparatively a lesser size, and it is just for visualization purpose or cartographic needs. So GeoBoundaries is since 2016 built by the community and William and Mary GeoLab. So this is an open source data. The GeoBoundaries global database of political administrative boundaries is online with the administrative boundaries of state and county for every country in the world. So how to use it? So GeoBoundaries datasets are provided under CCC BY 4.0 license, which allows for most commercial and non-commercial and academic users. We just need to give them the acknowledge if you are using the dataset. Keep that in mind. Now let us see how to download the file. So go to the option downloads or click on downloads here, or you can directly click on download data. So you will be landing here. So for example, if you are interested in downloading individual countries files, you can click here. You'll be redirected and you can directly search for your country. In this case, I'm going to search India, and you can see several boundaries are available from different sources. So I'm going to choose India 2011 data meet India community election of India. So let us see. Let's click on here to download the file. So you can see here the download has been successfully completed. Let us have a quick view in the QGIS layer, add vector layer. So after extracting the file, it will be looking like this. So I'm going to use ESRI shapefile, right? So you can see I'm having two kinds of data. One is GeoBoundary administrative one. So let us open these two together. Click on open, add it, and you can see the country India's boundary is available here. You can see two types of shapefile has been given. One is the simplified version, which is around 1.6 MB. If you go on to the properties and check it, you can find it. So this is the simplified boundaries file size. It is very small in size, smaller in size. And if you just look at the other shapefile, GeoBoundaries India ADM1. So this is having a decent size, as you can see here. The only thing, the difference between both of this is the accuracy level. So for example, let us zoom into a particular level, and you can see the difference between the simplified boundary and the other boundary. If I just unselect the simplified boundary, you can see the variation. This is having much more detail of the boundary line. So this is the difference. So after extracting, you can find an image also over here. You can find the image file of country, individual country like this. So you can search for any place like USA or United States, and you can see the boundaries over here. This is for Virgin Island, and you can have a preview of this data sets like this. You can have a preview of the data set and you can directly download it. Let us have a look at it once again. So you can see here USA. I'm choosing ESRI format. Click open, add it, and zoom to layer. You can see here how it is. So like this, you can download your country boundaries. You can see here in USA itself, you can see different boundaries. For example, here you can just see the outline which is available, as well as you can get some more information to county level, or much more deeper. Administrative boundaries can be downloaded like this. This time we are going to open USA Administration 2. Click on Add. Right, now you can see. So likewise, you can download the boundaries of any country. So, and for Indonesia also, you can see different types of boundaries are available. So you can see the difference. You can have a preview. So this is administration 0 boundary, and this is administration 1 boundary. So, and you can also find administration 2 boundary. Just click here to preview it. Now you can see the difference, right? So likewise, you can download it. You just need to use this download button. And if you are interested to download the global files, go back and just click on the global composite file. So comprehensive global administrative zones. So you can download it. The file formats which are available is GeoJSON, Shapefile, and GeoPackages. So you can see here it is available at various administrative levels. You can download the file. Each is around 100 MB, and last file is 150 MB. So we have started to download it. So we have downloaded the administrative to municipality level. Let us wait for this data to be downloaded. So let us quickly extract the files and visualize it. And let us remove these files. So here you can see the 3 files. Let us open it. So you can see here, this is the global administrative level 2 data, and this is level 1 data, and this is level 0 data. So you can see the difference. So I hope that this video might be helpful to you. So you can also visualize data. So if you just click on visualize data, you can compare between boundaries. For example, let us take an example of Ethiopia. And actually you can see the administrative level 0, 1, 2, 3. So if you click on 0, you can see it has been changing. Level 3, sorry, level 2, level 3, right? So you can compare it. For example, these are the available sources. You can compare in between them. For example, so here we are going to choose the ESRI boundary, and here also let me choose administrative 1, and you can see the boundary, how it is looking like, and you can have a comparison of this. So this is a GeoBoundaries data set, and this is ESRIs. You can see the level, year of publication, last updated, then administrative units, area, and perimeters. Likewise, how many vertices are there in the shapefile, and the line resolution of the line, how much it is deviating from the actual position, that is the resolution of the line. So likewise, you can choose any data, you can just compare it, and you can utilize this. So I hope this video will be very useful to you for downloading the country shapefiles and administrative division of the country or at a global level. If you found this video useful, please do give a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.